Represented by attorney-at-law Guy Chapman of Savory & Co., Turks and Caicos Utilities, the sole provider of electricity for the Southern Islands, hailed a success in the lawsuit brought against them by brothers Noel and Oswald Skippings. The case, which was dismissed earlier this month in the Supreme Court, challenged the rights of TCU to impose on their electricity bills power cost adjustments, arguing that they were unlawful, thereby seeking to file a restraining injunction on those charges. It was explained during the court proceedings that since 1986, the PCA had been calculated on the amount of the landed cost of diesel fuel, which exceeds $1 per gallon in Grand Turk and Salkey and 80 cents in South Caicos. During that period, the notional landing cost in Grand Turk and Salkey was $1.40, but it was reduced by 40 cents in 1999. Chief Justice Gordon Ward countered by saying that oil prices in the international market have surged over the past 2 years, and the cost adjustments too have effectively doubled in a matter of months due to oil prices. Noel Skippings, however, still challenged the legitimacy of the charges on 2 grounds, labeling it a breach in the electricity ordinance. Making reference to the ordinance, he argued that there are no existing provisions that empowers the governor to authorize the public supplier to increase any charges. After a long examination, Chief Justice ruled in favor of TCU, saying, quote, "The repeated changes in the price of oil on the world market over the last few years have resulted in the landed cost of oil and, in consequence, the PCA changing frequently, with the result that charges to the consumer have changed every month. Plaintiffs suggest that this is a breach of Section 32C. I cannot accept that that is the case. It confuses changes to the tariff of rates with changes in the charges to the consumer. I have found that the provision allowing and setting the formula for adjustment to the charges form part of the tariff of rates." He further noted that what have been repeated change are the charges under those provisions in the tariff of rates. This court case comes over a month after 9 consumers, including some of TCI's most prominent businessmen, filed a lawsuit against the Provo Power Company over alleged unlawful charges on electricity bills. For WIV4 News, I'm Nikira John.